What's good, everyone, and welcome back to Mike's Room. Here in Mike's Room, if you guys don't know, if you don't know what I do already, what I like to do is I like to get really high, just like you saw me do right now. Then what I like to do is I like to go ahead and get any type of home product or tech product that I can get a hold of and give you guys a good review on that, just in case you guys feel like you guys want to go and get the same thing. Now guys, on my last video, I had put out a pair of IEMs, and I had put out a little contest out there to see if anybody wanted to chip in to try to win those IEMs. Honestly, I haven't gotten any volunteers to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and let that contest roll on for another 2 weeks. Alright, so there's 2 more weeks to win those IEMs. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just go ahead and look at the video that I have for the link up there on the top corner there, and you'll see what I mean. Now for today's video, I'm not doing a pair of IEMs or a pair of wireless earbuds. What I will be doing is a Bluetooth speaker that is out of this world, literally. This Bluetooth speaker, I got it on Indiegogo when it was first coming out on the campaign. Now it's basically on their own website, and the company that I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, is Gravastar. Okay, now when Gravastar first came out, they came out on Indiegogo, I think about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, and they came out with their first Bluetooth speaker, and that was called the Mars. Basically, they just came out this year, just a few months ago really, with a new mini size speaker of that Mars speaker. So this one is called the Venus, and like I said, it's by Gravastar. So guys, let's go ahead and just get down to business, and let me go ahead and show you guys the box, what comes in the box, and then I'll show you guys the speaker, go over the specs, and then give you guys my little input while doing the spec and everything like that. So first of all guys, here is the box here. Okay, as you can see, it's a nice, box, everything like that. And the way that it actually opens up, this little tab here, it opens up like that. And then what you're introduced to is you kind of have this little black box that's kind of in there. So you take that black box out, and then in there is going to be the speaker. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys that speaker. Now these do come in different colors. I have what they call the flare red, and I'm going to show you guys that right now in a little bit. But they come in white, they come in yellow, I believe, or a battle yellow, something like that. Different colors. I'll go ahead and make sure that I give you guys all the names of the colors that they come in and everything like that. So anyways, you get this little box, and then in that little box you get your manual that has all of your instructions in it. You also get a nice rope-like USB-C connector, because this is charged by USB-C, and the really cool thing I like about it is that it is angled. Now the reason why it is angled is because on the speaker, the charging port is at the bottom of the speaker. So it lets you, it's angled so that you can actually charge it and keep the speaker standing without it, the cord bending or anything like that. So really neat, and it's a nice long cord too. Now, let me go ahead and introduce you guys to the Gravastar VENUS Bluetooth speaker. Now, as I said, this is the color that's called flare red. Really neat, really nice, guys. It's not too heavy. It does have a nice weight to it, but I just want to show you guys up nice and close how it kind of looks like. So there it is there. This is the front. Okay, this is the nice little speaker in there. And then in the back, you kind of have the back part of it where the speaker actually lets out that air and everything. Right here you have your functioning buttons, which there's not really a lot of function on them. Basically what you have your play, pause, and power button right here. You have on this side your Bluetooth button, which will go ahead and connect to your computer, phone, tablet. It really connects to anything. And then up here where these little buttons are right here, this will be your volume down and your volume up button. And then actually when you press both of these at the same time, that actually controls the RGB lights that are around here. And I'm going to show you guys that right now in a little bit. So the RGB lights turn on around here when it turns on and everything. It's really neat. You can actually change to 6 different colors with that RGB light to suit your needs. Now what I do like about this, like I said, let me show you guys. The charging port is right here, USB-C charging port, and it has these nice legs so that whatever you sit it down on, it's just gonna basically stand like that. Now let me go ahead and get into the specs on this real quick, and then I will give you guys a demonstration, a live demonstration with some music playing, everything like that, and show you guys how the lights work, all right? So let's get into the specs now. One of the specs on this is that this is made out of zinc alloy, okay? So it means it's really sturdy, really neat, not too heavy. As I said, I wanna say it weighs about maybe a little bit heavier than a baseball, okay? Maybe a little bit heavier than a baseball. Not too heavy at all, so it's really neat, and it's gonna take the fall if it's just, you know, sitting down, anything like that. Now, as far as the little subwoofer that is in here, this is a full range 2-inch subwoofer that produces about 10 watts worth of power. Now, even though that doesn't sound a lot to you guys, I can tell you guys right now, this little speaker does produce a lot of sound, and the bass is very, very powerful. Now, this version here, the Venus, is running Bluetooth version 4.2. However, there is a technology in it that they put that if you had 2 of these, you can actually sync up 2 Venuses together. I don't have 2 of them. I didn't have enough money for 2 of them. Sorry guys, like I said, I buy this stuff myself. But you can literally sync up 2 of these together, and the really cool thing is all you need to do is turn on the other one, and with the other one already on, it just kind of recognizes it and it syncs automatically. So I would really like to try that one time if I ever get the money to go ahead and get another one, and maybe I could do another video showing that. But right now I can't really show that, but that's really awesome that they do that. As far as range goes, this does go up to about 10 meters, which is, I want to say, about maybe 30-40 feet. Now I can honestly say that I left this in my room and I've walked around with my phone, and my house is, you know, it's not too big of a house, but I've walked all the way around my house, different walls, everything, and it stayed connected. As far as charging time and how long it lasts, guys, charging time is going to take roughly anywhere from about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, just depending if it's all the way dead or if it's like in the middle of life, stuff like that. And as far as how long it lasts, now this little puppy right here, it does have a 1500 milliampere battery. This thing can last up to 10 hours on one full charge, which is amazing. Now, me myself, you guys know I love listening to my music on high. I had gotten about maybe 7 to almost 8 hours on full high. Okay, which is really good, okay, especially with my music on full high. If you have it in about, you know, the 50-60% range with volume, you're gonna totally get the full 10 hours. All right, guys, so as far as everything goes, the specs and everything, now it's time for me to give you guys a little in-depth look and a little example of how this puppy works. Now guys, I already have my other phone that I use on a daily basis to go ahead and have it kind of paired up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how quickly it kind of pairs up, even though this is running Bluetooth 4.2. So I already have my Bluetooth ready on here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on.
Ready to pair. Bluetooth connected.
Just like that, my Bluetooth connected, and as you can tell, you know, the light is on, everything like that. It's really neat. In fact, I'm gonna turn this light off real quick. Okay, so there we go. Now you guys can kind of see the light a little bit better. You can see how the RGB is gonna kind of look like right now. Before we get into the RGB, I'm gonna go ahead and play a song. That way you guys can kind of see and hear how loud this thing is and how really cool it looks like when it's playing. Alright guys, so this is a song that I did a while ago. It's called Lois Lane, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the different things on here so you guys can kind of see the lights while I'm playing this song. So, you know, I'm just gonna play it for a little bit, okay? So, I'm sorry if, you know, you guys don't like cussing or anything. This just has some cussing. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how cool this is and how loud this gets, right? So here we go. So that little beep right there was the music at high. So I'm gonna play like at about 50-60% right now, okay? So this is 50-60% of how the music sounds. In the streets with that white girl selling rocks. Hit a couple local bars, then the block. No more getting sleep now, just get. Okay, so that's about 50. Okay, 50-60. Now I'm gonna go ahead and amp it up, guys, okay? No more less than When you hear that, it's all the way up. Now I'm gonna put my phone all the way up. I want you guys to look at this little cool thing right here. You see that? Really cool. This thing just moves. Okay. I'm gonna set it down. Really loud. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how the colors look. The way you do it is both of these have to be pushed at the same time.
But no evidence, listen to intelligent. They can hear my songs but can't lead me to no other shit. I ain't doing what the fuck Bobby Shmurda did, giving up his own boys like a fucking idiot. I be scoring fucking hard now with these fucking bars now. Fair motherfucker, I'm the one who's in charge now. Bang bang, shoot him up, watch him all fall down. Hit him like dominoes, hit him till they crawl out. Let me pick your brain just to see how much fall.
Wow. Okay, guys, holy smokes. As I said, guys, really loud for such a small speaker, produces really good music. As you guys heard, the highs were good, the mids were good, and the bass was on point, as you guys saw. The main thing that I really loved about this speaker, guys, that I loved and I just love keep seeing it all the time, is this little back part right here. This little back part, when the bass just kicks in, you just see this guy just wobble. And it's just amazing. It's funny and it's cool looking. My friends love it every single time that I play music. They're like, oh man, that looks cool. Where'd you get that? What? Let me buy it off you. And I'm like, no man, this is mine. You gotta go online and get it. So, guys, 100%. I recommend this small speaker for anybody if you're just trying to hook up, little speakers to your computer, if you're just trying to travel along with the mini speaker, if you're just trying to get a speaker for work, anything like that, this is the way to go, guys. And the cool thing about it is right now, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off now. It's really cool. Just makes that nice, cool, like robotic shutting down sound. I really like that too. Right now on Gravastar's website, guys, I'm going to have it there in my description link. On Gravastar during the holidays, you can get up to 42% off on all their stuff that's online, on basically their Mars or their Venus Bluetooth speakers. So right now, the Venus speaker that I just showed you guys, you can get that for $79.95 right now. Regular price on it is $130 plus tax. So $79.95 right now, guys, on Gravastar's website. That's a smashing deal. Can't really get any better than that. I would suggest you guys go Gravastar's website, get the Venus. If not, if you guys want to go a little bit higher and get that Mars, get the Mars. I believe the Mars is selling for like, I think 150, because the original price on the Mars is like almost 200 bucks or just a little over 200 bucks. But guys, right now for the Venus, I highly recommend it. Gravastar, you guys did an awesome job with this Bluetooth speaker here. I love it. I take it everywhere I go, honestly. It's really cool. People always ask about it. So I do want to thank you guys for joining me today. If you guys do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, share it. I'm actually going to be posting my Facebook in the description as well, so you guys can actually follow me on my Facebook page. I do have one up. I'm going to try to have little pictures of all the different stuff I'm going to try to be coming out with, and also have, different contests on there as well, just in case I'm not getting through to you guys on here. Maybe on Facebook I can get through to you guys on there. So I do want to thank you guys once again for joining me in Mike's room. Just remember, if you guys are out there smoking a blunt, smoke one for me. I hope you guys are also being safe, and you guys are always welcome into Mike's room. Hope to see you guys next time. Peace.